What's up, YouTube? Here with my little man Cashy, and we are gonna do something I've been wanting to do for a while. We're gonna mock the turbo up on the Zephyr and get it. So let's see if we're gonna need a different hood or not. I'm just curious. I've got the stock hood, probably won't use it. You wanna go get milkshakes? We can't get milkshakes right now. We're here at the house. Milkshakes are all the way as sheets. So we're gonna show them what all we've been doing to the car. Not a whole lot, but we did a little bit, didn't we? Yeah, he hurt his foot. You hurt your foot in these shoes. Check these shoes out. Look at them toes. Yeah, so yesterday I was able to cut the lip out of the quarters, so we're going to try to fit some 2810 Hoosier D06 compounded tires. Oh, my John Deere hat? You want me to put it on me? Or you want it on you? Put it on you. Look here. Let's check you out. Let's check your car out. Can we check your car out? It's right here. Let's check it out, man. Show us your ride. Show us your ride. Yeah, what you got? What kind of car you got here?
This my Mustang. It's 69.6 Mustang. Cause this goes super fast on the track.
Yeah, so this is a 69.6 Mustang, and it goes super fast on the track. What kind of engine you got in there?
It's a 69 one.
Is it a Coyote?
I'm not sure.
Oh, you're gonna show us? Okay, let's see it. Oh, removable hood. Oh my goodness, it's electric powered. Is it like a Tesla? Nice.
This is 69 engine.
Yeah. How many horsepower?
69 horsepower.
Oh my gosh. All right. Well, cool. Awesome. Hey, you gonna take it to the track sometime?
Yes.
All right. You gonna put it on the trailer with Dad's, with Whitey out here? All right.
Put on the trailer.
All right, man. Heck yeah. Sounds good to me. Let's see it. Let's see. Let's get that. What do you think? Who's this?
Sadie.
Who is she?
Her made a mess right there.
Her did make a mess right there. That's all her mess. All right. Let's you want to show them what all we got going on with the blue car over here?
Yes.
All right. Let's see here. All right. Blue car. Engine is in. We've already shown you all this. Engine is in. We have the manifold intake, and the valve covers are just somewhat on right now. We got tons of stuff inside of it, but we did cut the lip out. I've got to put some rust preventive stuff on that. Got it nice though. It's you know, we're like, you know, right up against it, whereas before, let's see if I can show you this. This is how much was sticking inside of here out, and it was hitting everything. So we shouldn't have any problems. I'm gonna get some open end lug nuts. We'll have those on order with UPR. Check out this. Didn't even realize that I ordered such a gangster transmission cooler. It looks like it's a dual pass, dual core, 6AN inlet and outlet. It can be wired up either way. Yeah. We'll do it here in a little bit, but this thing is going to do all the cooling. It is better than the one that is on Whitey currently, Doral 13700. It is a nasty unit. We've got the arc switch panel here, which I don't know if I've shown this yet. Roll bar mount. This will be going inside and getting wired up very shortly. All right, so it is extremely warm out here. I'm gonna hopefully get this thing thrown on here real quick. We got the Borg S480, where's it at, right there? Borg S480 turbo, and we're gonna try to get it mounted up here. Shout out, so we got my Street Racing Channel shirt. Billy Hoskinson has some, I'm sure you've watched his videos if you're watching mine, but check him out. Absolutely amazing content, super good videographer. They just had Midnight Madness. We weren't able to make it. We got a helicopter running around over here somewhere. Hear it? Is it a helicopter? Let's see it. Where's it at? Yeah, right there. There it goes. So, all right, so didn't make it to KD Dragway. We had a ton of stuff going on here. We had some Mexico action, some different things, and I wanted to need to stay home for a little bit and get some stuff done, and just 6-hour drive, stay up all night. Your Sunday is shot. It's an awesome event. It looked amazing. I think Murder 88 won it, which is a nasty turbo car. Turbos to the front. So I'm going to put this on real quick. Hopefully it won't take too long, and we're going to see just how big this turbo looks inside this engine bay. So stay tuned. All right, so sun is finally setting down a little bit. It's set down over the mountain over here, so it's finally starting to cool down. But we do have a manifold and a turbo mocked up. I went with an on-3 hot side. I know some people will be hating on that, but it is what it is. That's what I could afford to get me going pretty quick. If it needs to be upgraded later, we'll upgrade it, but I really don't think that will be the thing. See, it's a T4 manifold, put a T4 to T6 adapter on it. It's only, maybe an inch. It's like 1 inch from some guys down in Tennessee, actually, around Knoxville area. I don't remember the exact company. But ordered it online, got here super quick, quicker than I really needed it. And then it's actually going to sit it perfect, because if I didn't have that, we would be hitting the valve cover. So let's check this deal out. Goodness gracious. As you can see, right there, I would be very close, but we should have, boy, we're going to be close whenever we getting a V-band in there. It is going to be super, super tight. Super tight. But, gotta say that is going to be a nasty, nasty looking deal. Golly. Love it. It is just all hanging out there for the world to see. Exhaust, I have no idea yet. Most likely just gonna come up out of the hood, honestly. Otherwise, we're looking at some crazy stuff to get this deal over and through. I don't see there being much any other way with this routing. I think that's just gonna be the easiest and quickest. I'll probably just buy a deal with a 90, or just a 90-degree aluminized deal, just to bloop, right there. But man, I'm pumped with how that looks. Probably, I mean, honestly, it's not going to matter, because you can see, I was going to talk about the hood, but the hood is right here. Like, there is no hood that they're gonna make that is going to accommodate this deal. So come through right here, just right here, and then swing up from, sort of have the carb pointing, or the carb hat pointing towards the driver's side headlight, and then 90 back. Do it as good as we can there. So Yep. Just like that. Man, that is gonna be intense. Intense. I am super pumped. It's amazing what, and also in doing this, I realized that I need more hardware. The manifold bolts or the turbo bolts that from on 3 obviously were made for this deal. And with the addition of the, oh, what's the deal called? With the spacer, I've got to get some, they have 2 different threads. The on 3 has fine threaded stuff to hold the turbo on, and I need to coarse thread stuff, 3/8-16 rather than metric. So yeah, I'm super pumped. I mean, if I could quit kicking trim pieces. Golly. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. What do you think, Sadie? What do you think? What do you think? Unreal. Gonna be crazy. Going to be crazy. Nuts. Alright, so that is going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Sometimes you just have to throw things on just to get yourself a little bit more motivated and see that there is a light to the end of the tunnel. And that for me was this guy. Putting this thing on, I mean, it's got 4 bolts on it. I'll have it back off of this thing in 2 seconds. But putting it on, seeing that, you know, checking things like I need more hardware, I need stuff like that. I've got to get a bunch of copper silicone and all that, or copper RTV, however, silicone sealant, whatever. And I've got to get a bunch of that stuff. And so seeing those things, you know, there is light at the end of the tunnel. It's going to be a while. I'm actually talking to Kevin Van Noy right now with the carburetor, so I should see the carburetor within the next 2 weeks. I've just got to shell out the money for that deal. So I'm super excited because I've never had a CSU carburetor. Check them out. I mean, if you know anything with blow-through carburetors, you've heard of Kevin Van Noy and CSU, and that is why I'm going with this. I've just seen them work so super well. So that's why I sent a carburetor that I was given, and I shot it out there to him and said make it E85 blow-through. So it is going to be an absolutely awesome deal. I am super excited. We're finally getting some things done. There's a turbo on this deal. There's a turbo on the Zephyr. Boy, I'm pumped. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching so much. If you enjoyed it, if you like turbos or whatever, comment, like, subscribe, all those great things. I want to hear from you. I think the Zephyr may run better than a 620, better than Whitey. So, and probably not do it at Elk Creek either. Probably do it at a fast track or slow track or whatever track. I don't know. So I appreciate the view. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.